If your Facebook Nearby Friends is not showing, or you're wondering how to see nearby friends on Facebook, here's a quick fix. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the menu icon. Then go to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Now scroll down and go to the device permission. Click on that and look for location settings. Make sure your location access is turned on. If it's off, Facebook won't be able to show nearby friends at all. Tap on Location See Info, then click on the Update settings. Then click on the Open Device settings and set it to Always or while using the app. Next, go back and search for nearby friends inside Facebook. If you don't see it, it might not be available in your region, or it could be removed in recent updates. Also, ensure your app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. So yeah, that's how to fix Facebook Nearby Friends not working and how to see nearby friends on Facebook. If the option still doesn't appear, it's likely a feature limitation, not a problem on your device.